Kad si ti tako gledao taj N2 i to?
Kad sam gledao?
Da. Ajde.
Ne znam kad je to došlo, evo.
Zucni.
Ne znam, evo to prije, ne znam, prije 6 godina. Tak ne je, to sam vidio prvi put.
I vidio si tog nekog Filipa Čempiona, a.k.a. Hot Sauce.
To su livade sve, ajde. Tata ima bolji dribling, bez vježbanja.
Čuo da si nešto poručio Beli Gašima.
Kome?
Beli Gašima.
Opet 20 razlike, evo. To je prosjek. Za Beli Gaši, evo. Mislim, kaj treba biti realan, evo.
Možda sam stisnuo rekord, jesam.
Snimanje ili ne, a?
Da.
To nema samo na YouTube staviti.
Got my 7th album dropping and my 8th album coming, beating 1,000 grams, coming free. 6 months of running, got my bitch running, got my 7th album dropping and my 8th album coming, beating 1,000 grams, coming free. 6 months of running, got my bitch running, my first album coming, beating 20 grams, coming free. Nobody would find me at talent, nobody would sign me, nobody believed in me, nobody but mommy blondie. She denied me being the youngest run. Become a rival, but tell me she got nothing but love for me. When niggas would want me, the industry shunned me. That's why I'm taking all the industry's money. Revenge is sweet honey, we run this. Young is the illest, free is the future. Beans and bleak is right now. We can see y'all 8 miles, nigga. 8 miles and running. Got my 7th album dropping and my 8th album coming. Feeding 1,000 ground and stomachs free. 6 miles and running. Got my bitch drip popping and my first album coming.